Hello, FTTP. Today is November 15th, and I'm apparently racist since I just did that. Wow. Wow. Oh yeah, I was putting this in the sink. I wonder. I want something fruity, 'cause I'm fruity. No, I shouldn't. It'd be bad. That would be bad. My dad would kill me. Seriously, something fruity. I guess I'll just have Kool-Aid, I guess. Ooh. It is very dark. Harley. Hey, buddy. That's my dog. My dog, bro. Totally broski. I cut. I was hurting a lot. Like there was like a huge amount of. I get these feelings like there's a overload of blood in my tip of my fingers, and I kind of end up picking at them because I hurt a little bit, and then when I do that, and when they actually peel and the skin peels, it actually bleeds, and it bleeds a lot. Like, hang on. Yeah, hey, I'll show you what I'm talking about. This wasn't all of it. This was like a quarter. Not a quarter, maybe only half, but like it was like just from the tip of my finger, from this little thing. That little. It's like I have a whole overdose of blood in the tip of my fingers, and I don't know if that's a good thing, but it hurts. So I ended up picking at it, and the pain goes away because there's less in it. So, so I don't know if that's good or bad. So I don't really want to. Just said so a lot, so, and then I went. I'm gonna play some Modern Warfare 3 in a bit while I'm watching Penn and Teller. I'm watching a lot. I learned that secondhand smoke doesn't actually cause cancer. I already knew about baby bullshit. I always complained about that. Teaching kids stuff at early ages. It's pretty annoying to me, and I hate it. Okay, well I'm gonna go now because I want to play some games and I want to watch. I want to watch some Penn and Teller. So see you tomorrow.